Hi, class. I want to talk with you today about the distributive property in math and how it relates to multiplying whole numbers. So if we look at the problem 7 times 38, one way to think about this is that 7 times 38 is the same as 7 times 30 and 7 times 8, because 30 plus 8 is 38, and you can break the number up into its parts. And you could solve the problem by solving these problems and adding them up. 7 times 30, 7 times 3 is 21, and we can add the 0. 7 times 8 is 56, and 210 plus 56 equals 266. Okay? I want you to see that when you're multiplying whole numbers using the standard method, you are using the distributive property, but it's just a shorthand method. So if we do 38 times 7, and we just multiply it out the way you guys know how to do it, 7 times 8 is 56, right? There's that 56 that we saw before when we did the 7 times 8. But instead of writing the whole 56, we're just going to go ahead and write the 5 above the 3 and carry it because we're going to be adding it to the number that we get when we multiply 7 times 30. 7 times 3 is 21, which we know. 7 times 30 is 210. But since we know that 5 added to the 21 gets us 26, we can get our shorthand answer of 266, which is the same thing we had before. Same thing is true with two-digit multiplication. If I change this to 72 times 38, then we still have the same situation when we multiply these out. We're going to do 38 times 2 and 38 times 70 and add them together, or we're going to do 8 times 72 and 30 times 72 and add them together, right, and using our shorthand method. So 8 times 2 is 16 plus 1. 8 times 7 is 56, plus the 1 is 57. So 576 comes from multiplying 8 times 72. Okay? And then we're going to multiply by 30, which is the same as multiplying by 3 plus a 0 added to the end. So let's go ahead and add our 0. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 7 is 21. Again, where did that 2,160 come from? It's the answer to multiplying 30 times 72. Okay, not sure if you can quite see that, but then we can add those up and we'll have our final answer. 6, 13, 7, and 2. So 2,376, which comes from adding the two products together using the distributive property.